What is a good delta for an iron condor strategy? Have you ever wondered how to choose the right delta for your iron condor strategy in options trading? Understanding delta can make a big difference in your trading success. Delta measures how much an option's price changes when the underlying asset moves by $1. For an iron condor, which involves selling an out-of-the-money put spread and an out-of-the-money call spread, selecting the right delta is key. A commonly recommended delta for the short strikes in an iron condor is around 30 delta. This means that each short call and short put option has about a 30% chance of finishing into money at expiration. Choosing a 30 delta strikes a good balance. It allows you to collect a reasonable premium while giving you a buffer zone. This buffer means the underlying price can move without immediately putting your position at risk. The long strikes, which act as protection, are often set at a lower delta, around 20 delta. This helps limit your risk if the underlying price moves beyond your short strikes. By selecting a 30 delta for the short strikes, you create a more forgiving position. It allows for some price movement without the risk of being heavily into money, which could lead to larger losses. Another benefit of using a 30 delta is that it supports time decay working in your favor. Options are less likely to be exercised, allowing you to benefit from the passage of time. If the delta is too high, say above 30, the short strikes are closer to the current price. This increases the chance that the options will be tested, requiring more active management. On the flip side, if you choose very low deltas, below 20, you might collect less premium. This can make it harder to handle price movements, since the untested side of the iron condor has less premium to offset any adverse moves. In practice, balancing the deltas of all for options helps create a profit zone. This allows the underlying price to fluctuate while time decay generates steady income. This balance is essential for maintaining the iron condor's neutral stance and defined risk profile. To recap, aim for short strikes at about 30 delta. This gives you a good balance of premium and risk, allowing for some price movement. Set your long strikes at around 20 delta to provide protection and limit maximum loss. Avoid very high delta short strikes to reduce the frequency of adjustments and steer clear of very low delta short strikes, as they may not handle price movement well. This delta selection aligns with the iron condor's goal of profiting from low volatility and keeping the price within a defined range.